All right, everybody, so this is an exclusive video only for you members. We appreciate your monthly support. It means the world to us, and because of that, we are going to give you guys a exclusive video. We have just got done at Hattiesburg Speedway. It's the next day, Saturday morning. Had a great time. Hopefully you all watched that video, but I am going to let the mailman, Dad, make some laps in the pure stock. And so it overheated at the end of the race, but it should be okay for about 4 or 5 laps. And while we're here, why not take advantage of that and let Dad run some laps? Again, thank y'all so much for all of your support each month. It means the world to us. Let's get Dad strapped in the car and let him rip around Hattiesburg Speedway for the first time. I would tell you the shift pattern, but I think you know it.
Yeah, leave it where it's at.
Leave it where it's at. Just be careful, Dad. No one's here, you know that. And I can't guarantee that fan trout ain't ticking a little bit, which is what you'll hear.
Top digs first. fun.
What'd you stop for?
So I don't know if you got any water in it, because it ain't even 100 degrees.
Nah, it doesn't get up to temp till like 10 laps in.
It's got a horrible vibration.
I tried to tell you.
I mean, this thing is...
It's vibrating your whole body.
Yeah, it ain't got the power I thought it'd have, and it, I mean, I got sideways because I was just trying to throw it in there, but the seat's not right for me, so
Right.
if I drove one of these, I'd have to be real
Comfortable.
comfortable in this car, but
Still pretty cool, huh?
it wouldn't, yeah, what'd you think when I spun out?
I was like, oh, he's backing into the wall.
No.
And then you got on it. I was like, okay, good deal. Well, good job. Lap, spin out counter 2.
Huh?
3 laps, 2 spins. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Hey, it sure does sound good on the track. It may not, I mean, be the
Don't sound
fastest.
good in this car.
Well, it sounds good on the track.
Yeah, we need to do this one like we need to do your eyes.
Go-kart.
Go-kart.
Got to find some speed
Give 'em
and.
some love instead of just trying to and the turd and everything else.
That's right.
Oh man, you get out of this joker there. Golly, bum.
All right, guys. So thank y'all so much again for y'all's support. There's Dad. Made some laps in the pure stock. We're gonna load everything up and head home. We'll see y'all in the next video.